Any repair should be confirmed by proving the original problem is gone, and the affected system works as intended, not just by seeing a warning light go out. In this lesson, you'll learn how to avoid premature returns by verifying your fix with repeatable, targeted tests. The first step is to understand normal system behavior. How does the system respond when operating correctly, and what did it do when the fault appeared? If you don't have this comparison, you can't be confident the fix is real. Gather historical recall, scan data, or direct observation as a reference for expected outcomes. Remember that modules detect faults based on what their inputs report, not directly on what's happening physically. They can only see signal voltages and logic changes, not the true state of every wire or component. After repair, use both scan data and direct measurement to confirm the module sees healthy values again. After repairing the fault, perform a physical measurement or functional test. Choose a test point such as sensor signal, power supply, or ground return. For example, after repairing a ground, confirm the voltage drop under load is minimal, ideally less than 0.1 volts, when the circuit is active. Also, check scan data to see that both actual measurements and module readings agree with the expected healthy state. If values match the baseline, a real repair is confirmed. If not, investigate for hidden faults. A key part of confirming a fix is comparing live data before and after the repair. Look at the effective PID or related live data values. Do they now match expected values for known operating conditions? Compare your post-repair readings to baseline or manufacturer specs. Only when scan data and confirmed measurements both show normal can repair be considered proven. A common mistake is returning a car after clearing a code or seeing one value change without confirming the system is actually fixed. Codes may clear temporarily, or a single reading may mislead. Always verify with at least two forms of evidence, direct measurement and scan data, and recreate the original fault conditions if possible. Don't return the vehicle until you're confident under real-world scenarios. Here, the technician compares the seen evidence against the next test instead of repeating the same generic diagnostic reminder. Use this step to name the condition, the observed data, and the confirmation path that separates this scene from the rest of the workflow. This scene narrows the decision to one specific measurement or clue, then points to the next action that confirms or rejects the suspected fault. Before returning the vehicle, always confirm the original symptom or fault cannot be recreated and that normal system operation is restored. Use measurement, scan data, and real system response to verify. When all agree and no symptom returns, you can be confident your repair is real. Always use evidence, not assumption, to confirm each repair is complete and bulletproof. Make confirmation a habit to avoid costly comebacks and build trust.